My name is Raniyah Alrefaie. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I like OHLA because there is many choices here in OHLA. There I can study online. That happened with me with the lockdown. I studied basic 2 online. Then I complete intermediate 1 here in person. Here is it more different classmate from many culture. So we talk with other just English. So I improve my English here in OHLA. So I recommend you to come to OHLA. OHLA has many branch. There is Miami, there is Orlando, and another one in Ventura. You can choose what it suits you. For me, I chose Miami because the location is amazing. I can go out and practice English what I study. I want to thank any person who helped me here in Miami and OHLA to speak English. I wanted to thank my teachers. They helped me to do mistake and fix my mistake by myself. I want to thank my family to help me to support me all the time, and now I had a great experience here in OHLA.
أهلا وسهلا فيكم في معهد OHLA.